Is it time to change your radiator valve? Here are some easy steps to follow if you'd rather give it a go yourself instead of calling a professional. This is a general guide on how to change a radiator valve. Always be sure to check what your specific radiator requires before doing any work yourself. Step 1. Turn the heating and water off. Step 2. Drain the heating system with a hose and Jubilee clip, along with a container to collect any water and a towel for any spillages or drips. Once the system is completely empty, you can begin replacing the valve. Step 3. Unscrew the radiator valve. You may need a spanner to unscrew the valve, or a hex key or a plumber's wrench if the valve is secured particularly tight. Be sure to clean the area before fitting the new valve. Step 4. First, fit the new radiator tail, replacing the one you just removed, and use some PTFE tape if you want to prevent the risk of leaks. Fit the nut and the olive onto the radiator tail and water pipe before attaching the body of the valve, connecting this to the water pipe and inserting it into the radiator tail. Secure, but don't over tighten the nuts. Once this is done, then unscrew the protective cap of the valve body and connect the top of the valve to the body, tightening the nut a little further before screwing the cap back on. Step 5. Be sure all radiator valves are closed before turning the mains water and heating back on. Check to ensure there are no leaks. Step 6. We suggest bleeding your radiator to release any air trapped inside to finish off the job. If you prefer to follow steps in writing, be sure to check out our How to Change a Radiator Valve blog over on bathshack.com. You can click the link in the description below. If you have any questions about radiators or any other bathroom products, be sure to drop our team a message at info@bathshack.com or use our online chat available on our website, bathshack.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.